Let's solve part C now. Suppose that there is a minimum piece rate of $2.50 per unit of output. Is there any way that the firm can still ensure that only the most preferred type of worker apply? Now recall that we are looking for the energetic people to apply only, but let's see what happens when there is this piece rate of 2.50. So it's necessarily 2.50. So if it's 2.50, then let's compare the wages. 2.50 multiplied with 9 shoes per hour for the for the energetic guy, well, he will get in total $22.5. This is better than the alternative, because the alternative is only 18. So the energetic guy will apply for this job. It's convenient. So 22.5 is greater than 18. So yes, energetic people are gonna go for it. Let's compare this for the lazy guys. So 2.5, let me put dollars here to know that this is the piece rate. 2.5 times how many shoes per hour? Well, we have 5 shoes per hour for a lazy guy. So 2.5 times 5, what's that going to be? Well, that's equal to $12.5. That's $12.5. What's the alternative? Well, the alternative wage is just $12. So even these lazy people are going to apply as well. So this is greater than $12, so lazy people apply as well. Now, what do we want? We want to filter only the energetic people. How can we do so? Well, we can do so by making it a bit more difficult to apply. So we could charge an application fee. So let's write it like that. We will charge an application fee. Charge application fee. Now let's call that application fee is gonna be X, meaning that we will have to subtract this X from the wages of every guys. Now, for instance, how can we get rid of the lazy guy? Well, to get rid of the lazy guy, we would have the following. $12.5 is the wage that he gets due to this minimum piece rate. So we will have $12.5. Now we have to charge a certain fee, so minus the fee, which we say it's gonna be X, and this must be less attractive than the alternative. And since the alternative is $12 per hour, this relationship over here must be less than $12. Meaning that if we solve this, what do we get? Well, we would get that X must be greater than $0.5. So if the application fee is greater than 50 cents, then the lazy people are not going to apply. So we filter them out. Now, okay, that's good, but we also need to know how can we attract the energetic people to us, because remember, the energetic people also have an alternative wage. They have an alternative option of $18 per hour. At the moment, even though the application fee would be greater than 0.5, let's even say it's 1. 22.5 minus 1 would be 21.5. 21.5 is greater than 18. But as we can see, the higher the application fee, the lower the wage of the worker. So we must have a limit to how high the application fee can be. So to attract only the energetic workers, we must make it in such a way that this wage scheme, $22.5 that he gets due to the piece rate per unit of output, minus that application fee, must be necessarily greater than 18, because we want to attract them to us, not to the alternative job. So this must be greater than 18. And if we work the math out over here, we will get as a result that application fee must be necessarily less than $4.5. If it's less than $4.5, even the energetic people can pay for it and still be attracted to our company. So again, we would be able to filter the energetic people to us and the lazy people to the other side. Hope this makes sense, and we are done.